Hello, my name is John Archer. I'm a digital champion in Brighton and Hove, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use Google. Now Google is what's known as a search engine, and it allows you to search the whole of the internet for anything you want. The price of this, the news, the weather, price comparison sites, anything you like. You just tap the question in. So to get started, what you need to do is look for this colourful G on your tablet and tap that. And that takes you to the Google page. And in the page, you'll see information down here, which Google thinks you might be interested in. But what you need to do to search for something is here, where it says ask for anything, tap there, and you just type in here whatever you want to know. So I previously typed some searches in, so I'm going to tap here, Brighton Community Services, and you see it appears up here, and then it gives you lots of options, and what you need to do then is search down here, and I'm going to look at adult social care, but you might want to do children's services or whatever else. So if I tap on here, that takes me to the Brighton and Hove Council page, and I can then search along here for any information I want. So I can put care and support, tap care and support for adults there, and that will give me lots and lots of information that I can then research. Now to go back to the Google page, you just tap the go back button, which is at the bottom of your tablet that we've used before, and to go back again, and you keep tapping that until you get back to your Google page. So another example, if we tap on here, we can look here, we can look for information like the beginner's guide to Facebook. So if we tap there, that in this instance gives us a video, but it also gives us lots of other options as well that we can search. And then again, all you need to do is tap that and the video will play. You may get an advert or two before it starts, but that's okay. Just wait for that to finish and carry on going. So let's type go back again. And another thing I would suggest you look at is security and privacy on the internet, and I would suggest you type in Age UK Online Safety. If you tap on that, as you know, I've got cold fingers. Oh, here we go. Age UK on Safety, and it should come up with information on Age UK on Safety, and it's not doing that yet. For some reason my tablet's slow. So up the top here you've got images, shopping and news. So I'm going to tap on news. Tap on news. And still nothing. So I'm fed up with waiting, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back again. I'm going to type it in again. And Age UK Online Safety, I'm going to tap that again, and this time it's come up. And if you see here, it's from Age UK and Staying Safe Online. I would tap that, and I would suggest, this is something that all sites do, you have to accept cookies if you want to read it. So I'll tap that to accept cookies. And then you can scroll through there, and I do recommend that you read that to be secure. So in short, that's how you use Google. I'm going to go back to the home page again, and I'm going to go back again and get back to Google, and if I tap it again, it will take me back to my home page on the PC. Now, there's another way you can get to Google, is you can look for this symbol here called Chrome, and if you tap Chrome, that opens up essentially the same Google page. You've got the search here, so you can type whatever you like in there. So again, I'm going to I pre-typed Brighton Community News. So if I tap that, that takes me to Brighton Community News as before. But by using Chrome to get to Google, I also have the option of tapping this little plus symbol here. So if I tap that, that brings me back to Google again, and I can look for something else. So I'm going to say National News, and it gives me BBC News, which I can open and take a look at. There we go, BBC News and the Queen. I'm going to go back, and that takes me to the Chrome page, where if you look, I've got two Googles open. And to close it, I'll show you what I did there in a second. I can close that news page by just tapping that X there. And then I can close the Brighton Community page by tapping that X there. Or I can go back. To open another session for Google, as I say, you just tap this finger here, this plus symbol there. So that's essentially how you use Google. So to close down Chrome, I'm going to tap that. I'm going to tap that. As mentioned before, good practice is to tap your right button here and then close down all of the applications you've got open, which will then take you back to your home page, and that way you've got everything closed and you're ready to start a new session. So, for example, I can look for Google again and open Google again. I hope that's been helpful, but I encourage you to just search things for things on Google, anything you like, recipes, how to convert an inches measurement to centimetres. It's all there on Google. Hope this has been helpful.